To become a Xero advisor, you need to obtain the Xero Advisor certification, which demonstrates your expertise in using Xero accounting software. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you achieve this certification. First, you need to create a Xero account and sign up for the Xero Advisor certification program. This program is free and provides you with the necessary training and resources to become certified. Next, you need to complete the Xero Advisor certification course, which covers the core features and functions of Xero. The course includes video tutorials, quizzes, and assessments to help you learn and understand the material. The course is divided into several modules, including setting up a new organization, managing accounts and transactions, and using Xero's reporting and analysis tools. You need to complete each module and pass the associated quiz to progress to the next one. After completing all the modules, you need to pass a final assessment to become certified. The assessment tests your knowledge and skills in using Xero, and you need to score at least 80% to pass. Once you have passed the assessment, you will receive your Xero Advisor certification, which is valid for 2 years. To maintain your certification, you need to complete ongoing education and training to stay up to date with the latest features and functions of Xero. Throughout the certification process, you will have access to Xero's support resources, including online forums, webinars, and training sessions. These resources can help you learn and understand Xero, and provide you with the skills and knowledge you need to become a certified Xero advisor. By following these steps and completing the Xero Advisor certification program, you can demonstrate your expertise in using Xero and provide high-quality services to your clients. The certification is recognized globally and can help you to stand out in the industry and grow your business.